We will begin with C2P Pro Cleansing Toner Moisturizer, also known as CTM, is applied on the clean face in a round circular motion. This helps to remove any sort of impurities like dirt and pollution from the skin and also helps prepare the skin for makeup. Next up is C2P Pro pH Balance Neutralizer. Comes in spray form. As the name suggests, the product helps in maintaining the pH balance of the skin and also gives a base of makeup. Time to prepare the skin for some makeup. Take C2P Pro Ultra HD Poreless Matte Primer, which helps to smoothen up and repair the skin. It is very easy to apply as it can be blended with the help of your fingertips. This will help to keep the makeup in place for the longest time. Now we will do the base for the eyeshadows using C2P Pro Concealer that comes in a pen form with an inbuilt brush for easy application for the base of the eyeshadow. After applying the C2P Pro Concealer, blend the product with the help of a beauty blender to give that perfect base for the eyes. Using the C2P Pro Metal and Matte Edition eyeshadow palette, which I recommend personally, has a wide variety of shades that can be used in day-to-day or to create any party look. These shades are applied to the corner of the eyelid for the purpose of contouring. For this video, we will be doing a smoky look using 4 to 5 dark tone colors from the palette. C2P Pro Loose Galaxy Pigment is used to highlight the eyelids. Let's get that wing done using C2P Pro Color Liner. Start from the inner corner of the eye and slide to the outer corner. Draw a thin diagonal line at the end of your eyelash. Extend the liner to the diagonal line for that perfect wing liner. Next up is C2P Pro Ultra HD Perfect Foundation is applied on the face and neck. In order to fix the foundation, we will use C2P Pro Translucent Powder and apply it gently all over with a brush. Apply the C2P Pro All Day Ideal Stay Matte Finish and Fix Compact Powder to finalize the look. Now we will work on the lashes, but before that we will use a black eyeshadow from the Metal and Matte Eyeshadow palette and use it as an eyeliner. Now refine the eyelashes with a mascara. Now take some C2P Pro Lash Grip Waterproof Eyelash Adhesive and apply it over the false lashes. Carefully place the false lashes over the eyelash. Before applying the blusher, let's blend everything once more to create a seamless look. Now blush on perfectly using any shade you like from the C2P Pro Basic Blusher Kit. We will be using C2P Pro CHROMATIC highlighter and apply it on the cheekbones, nose tip, chin area and other desired area using a fan brush. Let's fix everything using a C2P Pro Makeup Setting Mist and Fix. End the look using a C2P Pro Lip Stain. Select the shades that best describe your look from a wide variety of shade. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new from this video. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on other social media to stay connected.